What are we doing, Bobby?
I'm gonna cold start little Mr. Hornet here. It's been here all weekend, doing its thing.
God, this car is so beautiful.
Yeah,
It really is.
And I mean, we got carb dialed and everything the other day. I want to see how it cold starts, see if I need to do any choke adjustments, what have you. So I'm gonna give it 3
You're gonna
pumps.
choke what?
3 pumps. I'm being a 3-pump chump this morning.
Hey, there we go.
So 3 pumps.
Yeah,
Nailed it, baby.
that's nice. I like that.
All right. So we're waiting on master cylinders to get here. I ordered more than one.
Right.
Frank gave me the part number that he ordered that was wrong. One of the ones we ordered crosses to that number, but who knows if he got something in his box. And then him and I were having a conversation. Maybe the previous owner monkeyed with the booster or something.
Right.
There's a whole lot of variables going on here. So hopefully we'll have those this afternoon.
Yeah. And to give you guys an idea, yeah, I mean, yeah. So I mean, we'll get it figured out.
Yep, is what it is. Tomato.
Exactly.
And from there, we'll let people know once things come in.
So what do we say, Bobby?
There's